This quick question lands hard. Could a sneeze be more than just a tickle in your nose, proving your body is ready to fight back? The answer lies in the tiny forces unleashed when air escapes at great speed, turning your headroom into a shield and signaling immune blitzes across your respiratory tract. Each sneeze is a micro-battle where nerves, muscles, and mucus team up to eject invaders faster than you might imagine. Scientists measure sneeze jets in miles per hour, and revealing the physics behind the spray shows how your body wins battles unseen. So next time you sneeze, remember it is your body's rapid alarm system.